Let's turn it on. Oh no. Well, it's not a blue screen. I have it open still. Okay, so I have done all sorts of stuff. I have reheated the chip and I checked the little caps and I done this and that and now the verdict is following. Let's turn it on. No display, but we have a working switch without a display. And also what I see here is that this whole switch is a little bit bent. It's a bit of a banana, and I wonder I would want to bend it, but maybe it stopped working already. I don't know. No. Okay, well, I think this has bent, and that is the reason why the RAM chip has actually got loose from the pads has gone loose. It could have been also me when I removed it, but I really thought I was so careful that I don't think it was me. And now if I would have a dock, I could show you if it works in dock mode, but I don't. So I have to go to my friend and I will do now that next. And this is docking test of switch number 22. Would you please try if it docks? I'm at my friend's house and as I said, I don't have a dock, but and damn. Okay, so we have no dock either. So we have no LCD and we have no docking capabilities, so no pictures. So basically this is useless, but I'm gonna have to do more testing on it. So, thank you. Okay, so switch number 22, as you saw from the clip from my friend, it will not go into dock mode. So we have now a non-working display. The touchscreen works though. As you can hear, the touchscreen works, and then it won't dock. So, but now I'm going to leave this for a while. I'm gonna do a revisit on this because I'm not gonna leave it like this. It's no idea. But I think we proven anyway, because we did get that one boot. I think we've proven that the DRAM chip is the problem. Well, why doesn't it boot now since it booted then? And I think that is because of this. It's bent case, and when I screwed the motherboard to the chassis, it bent a little bit. The motherboard bent a little bit, and that got the DRAM chip to get loose from its pad. And yeah, it's a damn shame. It might be so bad now that we won't get it working. But we learned plenty. Okay, so what did we do with this? We saw the blue screen, and we pressed on the chip that got it to flicker or actually we got the flicker away on that RCM screen that got us to believe that the DRAM chip might be loose. And also we got it to boot by pressing on the chip. So then we removed the chip, reballed it and put it back, and got it to boot once before it was in the screwed down into the case. Then we screwed it into the case, and now we got rid of the blue screen, but we lost the LCD display. However, the touchscreen works, and then we lost the docking capabilities. So yeah, that's where we are now. But I think in the revisit I'm going to open it up, remove the DRAM chip. I'm going to remove the same DRAM chip, and then I'm gonna clean underneath, and then we're going to boot it, and we're gonna see the blue screen, and then I'm going to take a hex color reading of that blue screen, because I should have done that. And here on the page you can see panic codes, and there are different kinds of blues, and it's probably the kernel panic, but I still want to do it. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But now I'm going to put this aside, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much.